Welcome back to Dad Bod 40, where we help guys like you ditch the dad bod and reclaim your prime. I'm your coach, here to cut through the BS on aging. Today we're diving into peptides, the new edge in muscle recovery and energy for men over 40. You'll learn what they are, why they're blowing up in 2025, and how to safely add them to your routine. Stick around, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Alright, let's break this down into 4 simple points to get you started on peptides without the overwhelm, and I'll expand on each with more details, examples, and tips to make it super practical for your daily life. First off, what the heck are peptides? Think of them as tiny protein messengers that tell your body to heal and perform better. For us over 40, they're like a reset button for sore joints and lagging energy, especially when testosterone dips and recovery slows. But here's the secret, not all peptides are created equal. Stick to researched ones like BPC-157 for joint repair or CJC-1295 for better hormone balance. Always consult your doc first, guys, because we're playing it smart here. Studies show they can enhance collagen production, which is huge for tendons that take a beating from years of sports, or just dad duties like yard work. Imagine waking up without that nagging shoulder pain, that's the real win. You might be surprised, but peptides aren't some sci-fi stuff. They're naturally occurring and can speed up recovery by up to 50% in studies, based on how they promote cell repair at a molecular level. Point 2. How to use them for muscle gains. Start low with a peptide like TB500 for tendon strength. Inject or oral forms are available, but keep it simple with a once-a-week dose to begin. Pair it with your workouts, like adding it to a light resistance band session, and watch those nagging aches fade. I tried it myself after a rough gym session where I overdid the pull-ups and boom, back in action in days, not weeks. Hilarious how us dads think we're invincible until that one pull reminds us we're not 25 anymore. But with peptides, you get that edge back without pushing too hard. Track your progress with a journal. Note energy levels, workout reps, and how you feel chasing the kids around. Small changes add up big. Third, energy boost without the crash. Peptides like Ipamorelin help optimize growth hormone, giving you that all-day stamina for work, family, and lifts. No more afternoon slumps. Imagine powering through meetings or evening soccer practice without needing that extra coffee. But here's the truth. Combine it with solid sleep and nutrition for real results, like eating more protein-rich meals or timing your carbs around workouts. In my own 30-day experiment, I saw my resting heart rate drop and my mood improve, all from better hormone signaling. It's not magic, but it feels close when you're juggling a full life. And if you're worried about side effects, start with micro doses and monitor with apps that track vitals. Safety first, always. Which brings me to point 4, safety and starters. Get blood work done before and after to baseline your hormones. Source from reputable places like licensed compounding pharmacies and cycle them, say 8 weeks on, 4 off, to avoid tolerance. Don't go rogue. Peptides are supplements, not shortcuts, and they're best when stacked with basics like hydration and mobility work. If you're new, try a 30-day trial and track your progress with before and after photos or strength tests. For example, measure your bench press or how many push-ups you can do pain-free. Fellas, what's your biggest recovery roadblock after 40? Drop it in the comments. We're in this together, sharing stories to motivate each other. If this fired you up to supercharge your recovery, smash that like button and subscribe to Dad Bod 40 for more no BS tips. Next, check out my video on AI workouts that fit your busy life. Remember, 40 isn't the end, it's your comeback story. Stay strong. See you soon.